Well, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. You see? Yeah, I have videos that I'm going to present to you and I have certain things I want to talk to you about. Alright? Alright, so first things first, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a man wearing clothing that looks like a uniform, and you can see enforcement officer marked on the clothing that looks like a uniform. Now the video also shows the man holding on to a part of something that some people within the country of Jamaica might call handcat. You see? And in the video you can hear a person saying certain things to the person who you can see wearing clothing that looks like a uniform. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? Now I want to take a look at this video and tell me what I think, viewers and subscribers. And you know, based on something that I saw and heard in the video, I start to say to myself, say, John, everybody just try to survive, but it just look how you say certain things just keep on happening. You understand? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen and observe for yourself.
Tommy, big up for me. Big up for me now, man. Take them and go and go name them, man. I just a text me, I tell you, no, man. You just a text it for me, and I tell you, no, man. Top text it for me. I first ever hear my mouth, you know. Top text it for me, big man. Me have family we feed just like you, know. Top text it for me coming in now. No way. Nobody run us and complain to nobody. Nobody will sell for us and hombre. You pass now, me sit down and eat my food easy, you know. You go take up my things now, no. And you wanna beat me for feed, man.
Now if you look at the video carefully, you can see the person who was wearing clothing that looks like a uniform holding on to something that many Jamaicans might call a handcat. So me ask my people, John, everybody just try to survive, you know. You can't tell me what you think about that video. Now I'm going to move on to another video, viewers and subscribers. Now the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a confrontation between police from within the country of Jamaica and civilians from within the country of Jamaica. Now viewers and subscribers, for some reason this video has been talked about on social media. I don't have any confirmed information as to why police officers went to that location, where and when the video be recorded. You see what I say? But you can let me know what you think. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Do it for and make you reach nowhere. Come. The pin there now go nowhere, brother. I'm for. The pin there now go nowhere. Look at this. The pin there now go nowhere. I when local station come here and we chat. The bigger police. The bigger police come here and we chat. Nothing on me. Hello, why you don't touch that phone? Don't touch the phone again. Don't touch the phone. I have to shut the phone. We are going to have you're not a permit. What? I want to know. Oh yeah, we is like move from us. I left out a man coming into. You see I want a bad backer. Yeah? So I can say I want a bad backer. Good man. Nice. Got bigger squad than you, me I tell you, brother. That's easy. You feel ignorance, brother, for the world. You try to go, brother. You have right just a long time.
Yeah, so that video will be recorded in Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. You see? I tell you, the situation they look away. Me hear somebody mention the permit in the video. So overall, I wonder what really and truly caused the confrontation between police and civilians that you can see and hear in the video, viewers and subscribers. So me I say, that's it how we do. Alright, so on to another topic, my people. Now I got information that Russian Barnett, who brutally murdered a mother and her children, 4 children, was sentenced. See? Now I got information that Russian Barnett was ordered to serve 5 concurrent life sentences, and he was ordered to serve 61 years and 8 months before he is eligible for parole. Now, my people, may I ask you a question? Do you think that is a fair sentencing based on what Russian Barnett had done? Do you think so? Alright, watch this now, see? And listen carefully. In my point of view, if it was up to a lot of people within the country of Jamaica, the sentencing would have been worse. Probably the ultimate price, based on how me hear some people attack. See? Now, I want to say to a lot of people still, death is no revenge. Death is no revenge in my point of view. See? And everything you have to fight fire with fire. See? But I know that there are a lot of people in and out of Jamaica who might find this sentencing to be okay, and there are a lot of people who might find this sentencing to be not okay or not enough. So may I ask you, my viewers and subscribers, what do you think about this sentencing that me hear about? Do you think it is enough? Leave a comment and comments in the comment section of this video. Now, my people, I'm going to read from one of those news articles that I saw about this whole situation and are about Russian Barnett and viewers and subscribers, because these information that I got are from news articles that I read in viewers and subscribers and so on. You see? Listen. Now, a news article said that Russian Barnett said that his cousin had disrespected him in the days before the murders, and that he claimed that a customer had come to the premises and he served the customer, but his cousin was upset and told him he was never to serve her customers, and grabbed the cash from his hand and splashed water into his face. He said he was offended from that instant. A subsequent interaction with his cousin, he said, led to the stabbings. So what you tell me say now, that the little foolishness there is what him say cause certain things will happen. Life that is so valuable, more than anything else in the world in my point of view. Eh? I don't know what I go. Sometimes, I tell you, sometimes I just can't help but think certain things. When I hear certain things and read certain things. Eh? Now, my people, let me know what you think. Right? Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.